Welcome to Ingenuity.
Are you ready for an unforgettable family journey filled with adventure and discovery? Today, we're taking you on a one-of-a-kind escapade to the heart of history and innovation. Get your explorer hats on because we're about to dive headfirst into the fascinating world of Ingenuity, the Coalbrookdale Museum of Iron, and the awe-inspiring blast furnace.
Here we go. Come in.
Come in.
Oh, what's this? Somebody's excited.
So we're now at Ingenuity. It's a science museum for the kids. There's loads of things that they can do, tinker with. It's just a small space, but we do recommend passing by here if you have the time. You probably just need an hour and a half to 2 hours here. There's lots of things to do, and there are little activity areas here, like things that they can build, things to get them busy with. Right now, Renzo and I are in this play area, trying to put stuff together with wood and all. And there's lots of experience they can do with energy, converting their mechanical energy into electrical energy. And so that's quite interesting for them. It's also water, energy from water. Hi! And this little girl is... What were you doing there? Huh? You're playing with Renzo. Did you build something? Okay.
And then press the button.
What's that? Here? In the water? And then I do this. Okay. Ready? Whee! Oh, I closed the dam. Look. Nothing's coming up, but if I do this, water will come out. If I do this, it will close. But if I do this, water will come out again.
After going to Ingenuity, you can explore the Coalbrookdale Museum of Iron. It's a fantastic place that's all about the incredible history of iron making. It's a big interactive storybook where you can step right into the past and learn about how people used to make iron. What makes it even more special is that you can follow the entire journey of iron from its extraction from the ground to its transformation into essential tools, machinery, and even grand structures like bridges. This journey through history offers insight into both the past and the continuing importance of iron in our modern world. If you have young kids like us, you can get a treasure hunt kit to find different things while you explore the museum. In our trip though, Renzo and Isla were really quite more interested in having torches and shining a light around the different things you can explore in the museum.
It's demonstrating how they create iron, and they have different models here. They have here the Ironbridge model, but the kids are basically just running around. We were given like an investigator's bag for the kids. They have puzzles and pictures to match, but they really didn't like any of that. They just were interested in the torch they have here now. So they've been pointing the torch and everything here.
The blast furnace is on the opposite end from Ingenuity and the Museum of Iron. There's an open area in front of it that the kids really loved running around on. The blast furnace is an incredible piece of industrial history that's a big part of the Ironbridge Gorge story. Imagine a towering structure made of iron and brick that's like a giant oven. But instead of cooking food, it was used to make something very important. Iron, of course! You can go inside the structure and see the different sections of the furnace and how it used to work. The blast furnace was a key part of the Industrial Revolution, and it helped create lots of things we use today, like steel and iron for buildings, bridges, and machines. It's like the birthplace of all the metal stuff around us.
Iron Golem. Mummy. Mummy.
Daddy, go.
The thing is that sad is because there's no Iron Golem.
Iron Golem? Who's Iron Golem?
The one in my class.
Oh, I
Iron
see.
Golem.
Oh, is it looking like this? But it's only square.
No, Iron Golem is a person.
Oh, is it? A monster?
No, it's not a monster. It's someone who's very big and tall and strong who kills monsters in
Oh.
villages.
Oh.
Because he's
Oh no, Ayla.
always golems are always in the villages,
Uh-huh.
and the Iron Golem fights the monsters that get to the villages.
Oh, I see.
Can't get swapped in.
We can't, Ayla?
We can't get swapped in. Mommy,
We shouldn't.
We shouldn't.
Yeah.
Why would the furnace have this?
That's a furnace. This is the blast furnace. Remember the blast furnace?
Oh, you might fall there, Ayla. Careful. No going in. No going in.
Renzo, if you look down into the furnace, you can see the sides tapering out to form that.
Before leaving the area, we really recommend having a meal at the furnace kitchen. It has a very good ambiance and offers a lot of space for us and the kids. The staff is very friendly and the food was really good. So much better than what you would normally find for restaurants in attraction venues. Additionally, here's a tip. If you choose to dine with your family at the furnace kitchen, you can also snag a complimentary parking voucher. It's a cherry on top of an already delightful experience.
Where are we, Mommy?
We are at the furnace kitchen.
Is it really nice here? The ambience is nice.
Really nice. It's really nice. We could have stayed outside.
It looks like a factory.
It does.
Because it's in theme, Renzo, they want to make it look like the coal mines.
Marshmallow topping.
Wow! How is it, Ayla? You like it? Good? How is it, Renzo?
Oh, nice.
Well, folks, that's a wrap on our unforgettable family adventure to Ingenuity, the Coalbrookdale Museum of Iron, Blast Furnace, and the Furnace Kitchen. We hope you had as much fun watching as we did exploring and indulging. If you enjoyed this journey through time and technology, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fantastic family travel content. And if you've got any suggestions for our next adventure or want to share your own experiences, drop a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you.